excited. So much success. I have experienced hyperopia for the past 10 years. And I mean, the improvement that I have seen since I started the course is incredible. I have changed the font size on my phone, where my boys used to always joke about how large the font was. And I have it set at medium, but there are days when I can see my son's phone, which is at the smallest font size. So that's exciting. I teach classes online, and I taught, I guess it was last week, I taught a class from start to finish without putting my glasses on, and I was able to read my notes. So that was so exciting. And I love not like searching for glasses every time I need to read a recipe or read a label. Sometimes I need to go near the window and just get more light, but I still try not to put my glasses on. So in those cases where I'm sending an email or writing a check and I need to know that I am not making any errors, I put a pair of glasses on. So I used to use 1.75 readers, and now I use 0.75. Oh, sorry about that, Miri.
Yay!
Down. Good girl. Okay.
Good girl. Yeah, that's very exciting. So also the glasses that you're using have a lower prescription so that you can verify. Congratulations, great.